Once in a small village nestled between rolling hills and green meadows, there lived a poor man named Thomas and his young son, Samuel. They eked out a modest existence, their simple cottage standing as a testament to their humble lives. Thomas, weathered by years of toil, worked the fields from dawn to dusk, cultivating the land that barely yielded enough to feed them. Samuel, with eyes full of curiosity and dreams, accompanied his father, learning the ways of the earth and the resilience needed to survive. As the seasons changed, so did their challenges. The biting cold of winter brought with it the struggle to keep warm, and the scarcity of food became more pronounced. Yet, amidst their hardships, there was a bond between father and son that transcended their material circumstances. One day, as Thomas plowed the field with a worn-out plow, Samuel observed his father's tired eyes and calloused hands. Determined to lighten his father's burden, he approached him with a heart full of hope. "Father," Samuel said, "I may be young, but I want to help more. Together, we can overcome these hardships." Touched by his son's sincerity, Thomas smiled. "Your spirit is a treasure, my boy. Let us face the challenges hand in hand." Inspired by Samuel's enthusiasm, they began exploring new ways to make their meager resources stretch further. Samuel ingeniously repaired the tools that were on the brink of collapse, and together they devised methods to enhance their crop yield. However, fate, ever unpredictable, had more trials in store. A sudden storm swept through the village, leaving their crops battered and their hopes shattered. The rain-soaked fields mirrored the despair that settled in their hearts. Undeterred, Thomas looked at his son and said, "Adversity is the true test of character. We shall rebuild and emerge stronger." The villagers, witnessing the resilience of the father and son, rallied around them. Together, they rebuilt what the storm had destroyed, symbolizing the strength that community and shared burdens could bring. As the years passed, the village flourished, and Thomas and Samuel's story became a beacon of inspiration. Samuel, now a young man, had imbibed the values of hard work, resilience, and community from his father. The once poor man and his son had not only overcome adversity but had also sowed seeds of unity and hope that bore fruit for generations. In the twilight of his life, Thomas looked upon the thriving village, his eyes filled with contentment. He turned to Samuel and said, "Our journey may have begun with little, but the richness of our shared experiences has made us wealthy beyond measure." And so, the tale of the poor man and his son became a timeless narrative, echoing through the hills and meadows, a testament to the indomitable spirit that arises when love, hard work, and community intertwine in the tapestry of life.